I got flowers from Amado Group. Thank you so much. From ano yan, Tony Moly, Etude House and Leaders. Thank you. Ganda, sobrang fresh. At ang aga dumating, like, anong oras? Bongga. Thank you. All made up and ready for today's event. I'll do an OOTD later. On our way to StyleCon, guys. It's gonna be at KL Tower in Makati. I'm with my sister to take my photos and Mark. Hi, B. Tulog siya. Anyway, Joyce was supposed to join us, pero may client siya, kaya susunod siya. Ayan, we're gonna see a lot of people. Sila Anne-Claude, si Anna Kay, Anna Kai, sila, I think Bing. Si Bing yata pupunta din. We're now at the venue. Briefing is over, and look who I'm with. It's Roseanne! In the Philippines, we pronounce it as Roseanne. Oh, Roseanne. Yeah, but you're Roseanne. Finally. You're so gosh. Oh my gosh, I love your lip color. What's the brand?
ColourPop. Mars.
Oh, Aura. You know Aura?
Aura. What's Aura?
I'm teaching you gay lingo.
Oh, okay.
When you say Aura, you like pose.
Okay.
Yeah, Aura. Aura. Yeah. Yes, love that. The fan effect, girl. Mommy Anne. Jaya! Yan is here! Yan from Style. Hi guys! Hello! I was so wet. Cutie! I'm with Bob, guys!
Oh, this is our very pretty.
Oh, thank you. She's really so fresh, girl.
It's our last one today, so we're gonna make this one look good.
Can you say bonga?
Bonga.
And color. Huh? Color.
Colored.
Yeah. Bonga means like awesome.
Awesome. How do you say I love you?
Mahal kita. Mahal kita.
Mahal kita.
Yes.
Mahal kita.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
This is the stage, guys. Look at that. Yeah. Ang cute nyo. I love it. We're about to start, guys. Bongga yan. First time ko mag-host actually, so kinda nervous, kinda not kasi nga casual lang to, girl. Oh, diba? Done ng event, guys. Actually, hindi ba done? Done na yung hosting Chuvanes Eklavu ko. At hilong-hilo na ako kasi hindi ako kumain ng breakfast. So, kailangan ko na kumain, girl. Yeah, food! Girl!
Happy birthday.
Thank you!
Kala ko sa airport na tayo.
Hi, Lara! Hi! Can you tell us more about Beauty Plus and Makeup Plus ba yun?
Oh yes, we have two products that's Beauty Plus and Makeup Plus. It's basically a beauty app where you can fill in some makeup by real makeup artists. It's what you do is you just download it and then take a picture and you have an instant filter that beautifies you.
Hi, Sha!
So this is how you use it. You take
Okay,
a
go.
picture, and then you just fill in. So we're gonna use Pony.
Girl, yes, Pony.
Let's use Pony.
Oh!
Ah!
Bongga bigla!
Yes, yes. Yan. So pwede kang mag-iba-iba.
At ang daming filter, no?
Yes, super dami.
Mo lang yung ano.
Napaka-shock na ako.
Yeah.
Wow! Saan mo nabili?
Si 698. Divisoria,
Shock
girl.
pen, girl. Saan dapat?
Kahit thumb
Hawakan
thumb
mo.
Yeah.
Naman to eh. Baka sumigaw
ka dito ah.
Hindi, sakto lang. Huwag mo tagalan.
Hindi lang.
Oo.
Hindi lang.
Sige, sige. Dot lang ah. Dot lang.
Bakit ako?
Yan na naman.
Wala. Ang lakas nun, girl!
Huli ka?
Sakto lang.
Sakto lang.
Oh my God!
Masakit, girl.
How much? How much?
15? 35?
Challenge time na tayo bigyan na. I'm here inside Roseanne's hotel.
Hi, guys.
Super lamig. We're about to die at the venue. Lamig is cold.
Oh, cold.
Or
yeah,
cool.
It's
yeah.
really hot at the thing.
I couldn't breathe, girl.
Oh, really?
Oh my
There were so
gosh.
many people too.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Roseanne,
it's crazy.
introduce yourself.
Hi guys, I'm Roseanne, and I have known her online for, I don't know, 4 years.
Yeah.
So it's the first time seeing her in person. Oh my gosh. So beautiful. And I'm sweating like crazy.
And your lipstick is still on.
Yeah,
Did you retouch or no?
No, I didn't.
Wow.
Color Pop.
Cool.
It's like, it dries, it's like a liquid lipstick. Matte liquid
So what's
lipstick.
your channel?
Oh, I have the same camera.
Yeah.
It's Roseanne Tanger S. Roseanne Tanger S, yes.
Yeah, and she also does makeup workshops.
Yes, I do.
I
in
love your
Singapore.
studio.
Oh,
I've seen
thank
yours
you.
all. So Roseanne and
so
I are gonna do collab videos today. Super funny. We're gonna do the 7-second challenge, and I'm done with my 7 seconds. And si Roseanne nagpapatulong kay Iza. Super funny nito. Be involved ka dito, ha? Dito, basta mamaya. Say bongga. I have you said it. What's bongga? No, say bongga.
Bonga.
Kalurks.
Kalurks.
Burks.
I have no idea what I'm saying.
Say kalurks.
Kalurks.
You say this, ah. Kalurks, burks, merks, works.
Kalurks, Burks, Merks, Works.
Oh yes! I love it! You nailed it! Those are my expressions in my vlogs.
Oh, really?
Oh, bongga!
Oh,
You say
that's so
aura.
cute. Aura.
Yeah, that's a Tagalog
Aura.
video. Filipino accent.
Oh, wow.
What else?
Aura.
You say ganoin.
Ganoin.
Yes! I love it. Watch out for collab videos.
Yes. See you. Bye.
With Anna Kayang Rich. Thank you, Anna. Binigyan niyo sa akin yung extra girl.
Oo, sa G7.
Thank you.
Birthday kasi ni Zay.
18, yes. Subscribe to the channels, ha? Links in the information box. Thank you, girl. Thank you. We're hanging out outside kasi sobrang init sa loob, guys. Hindi ko na kaya. Sobrang init. Hi, Claire. Barawan when soon. Yes.
Soon.
Yes. Si Shara. Shara.
Hi.
Isha.
Do we finish?
Ay, girl. True yan. Dapat nag-review tayo, girl.
Do we finish?
Kala ko iyak ka, girl.
Uy, naiiyak na nga ako kanina eh. Kasi naubusan ako English.
Mga Instagram husbands or mga YouTube husbands, o diba? We're now riding Uber. We left na. Bangga! So much fun. So much fun meeting Xiao Ba. Ang dami namin lamit ulit sila. Ayan, sama-sama kami ulit. So happy, yeah. So much. Oh, my palette from Benefit got broken kasi nilagay ko sa luggage. So, nag-crack siya. So, we had to like cut it out kasi nga malas yan. Bayan, girl. Family dinner not pushing through. So, dinner na lang kami ni Mark sa Bocachin. Ayan.
Alas 5 madaling araw, traffic. 15. Traffic na sa baba.
Super long line sa Sambo kasi, so we ended up here at Kowloon. Mura lang, $2.95 buffet. Okay na rin. There you go. Si Mark kumuha ng foods. Look at this arowana, guys. Laki, grabe.
Malapit siya sa kamay.
Eh,
Ay, bubukay yung bibig niya.
ang laki. Parang may bola siya doon, may ball. Bye, arowana. Ano ba yung kinakain niya? Smaller fish. Oh, si Mark pala may ano sa akin, may surprise kanina. Thank you, V.
Hindi mo naman bilag eh.
Ayoko.
Bakit? No.
Ayan, we were supposed to eat sa katapat din lang sa Boko Jin. Yung nga na sobrang daming tao. So, yeah, we're just waiting for Uber. Here's Mark's surprise for me. Oh, thank you, B. Talagang red talaga yun. Sinabi mong red. I love it. Oh, we're now gonna blow the cake.
Candle, not the cake.
Oh, candle.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you.
Boom, boom.
Happy birthday to you.
Boom, boom.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Thank you. And here's a bouquet from Sample Room. Thank you so much, Sample Room. Ganda.
Ito, isa pa. Hindi isa.
Yeah, si AGC kanina umaga to. I love it. Thank you. Thank you, baby.
Wow, nakuha na.
Next. Ano next? Game of Thrones!
They disgusted me.
They
GOT,
are hard to love.
GOT.
The poor disgust us because they